Hello, my name is NoemI and the title of my action research is Planned Outdoor Activities Improve Science Learning for First Grade Minds. The purpose of this action research was to identify and implement a new strategy that would help first grade students improve their science grades and learning interest during science lessons. The research question posed is, will planned outdoor activities, such as scavenger hunts and outdoor labs, learning experiences led by myself, the classroom teacher, in a charter school in Homestead, Florida, as measured by pre- and post-tests for 3 consecutive science lessons, and a learning experience survey collected in the form of outdoor scavenger hunt booklets, outdoor labs, and outdoor cloud foldables lead to increased academic gains in science learning of 17 first grade students. The action research was completed in a matter of 4 weeks. 17 students were present during the time course of the study. The study was completed in a charter school down in Homestead, Florida. All 17 students participated in 3 pre-tests for each topic that they had to complete in order to determine their prior knowledge of various science topics that would be discussed that week. After the pre-test was taken, the topic was introduced along with a scavenger hunt booklet. For topic 1, all students participated. The second week, a pre-test was taken and a new topic was introduced, and the outside lab was completed for topic 2. Final week, a pre-test was administered after the topic was introduced. Students participated in an outside cloud foldable activity for topic 3. After each outdoor activity was completed, students completed their post-test for each topic. The goal of this action research was to improve students' academic gains, such as grades and learning interest during science, which was accomplished with the use of scavenger hunts as an outdoor activity, an outside lab, and a cloud foldable. The result of this action research was that indeed students gained interest and obtained better science grades when working in outdoor activities during science. Using their previous 3 weekly science test grades and average was determined for each student in order to determine learning. Students took their regular science curriculum weekly test and scores increased from previous test grades, averaging as a class at an 86%. After taking the post-test for topic 1, the class averaged an 80% topic 2, topic 2, 85%, topic 3, 90%. Students' learning interests will be determined with the use of learning experience survey. The possible reasons for student gains will be discussed further in the research. The action research conducted, in my opinion, was a good action research, but is not a perfect one. Many questions can be raised about validity and reliability. Some of the issues I encountered during this study was the amount of time spent on the study, materials, activities used, and difficulty of topics discussed. Some questions that arose were, will planned outdoor activities work for a longer period of time given that the study was conducted in only 3 weeks? My second question was, did student gain higher test grades because the weekly curriculum's test got easier? Were the topics discussed easier for students? Given the 3 different outdoor activities were used, how can the teacher ensure they are using proper outdoor activities that will engage students and help them raise science grades? The time spent on the study was not enough. The teacher needs more time in order to determine if this is in fact what is causing higher test grades. Something I would change is that I would probably, as my first grade team, ask my first grade team to work with me in the study in order to cross-reference our findings. I would also like to ensure that the materials I am using for the planned outdoor activities are reliable and valid. Since these materials were teacher-made activities, the margin of error is high. I would like to determine the difficulty of each topic. Was one topic easier than another one? And in my opinion, this was a good action research that opened doors to more questions and further research in my classroom. But I do think that there are certain aspects of the research that I would have to change and I would have to go back and look at. And that's all for my action research.